I think definitely I'm probably gonna start out just like in Chicago working, just like gaining experience in advertising. Because a lot of jobs are like, oh, you need 5 years of experience. And I'm like, I'm still a student. So, I mean, it's nice to learn. It's just, I feel like I need like real life experience and just like kind of get pushed out there. So my name is Roshnee. I'm a senior at Loyola University Chicago, and my major is advertising and public relations. So I'm in like 2 dance groups, so that's just something fun on the side to do. And then in the past, I've been like treasurer of a club. I was in my residence hall organization. Over the years, I've done like kind of different things. I'd say I'm passionate about the music industry. That's kind of what I want to work in through advertising, kind of like with promotion of artists and stuff like that. Because sometimes companies don't do too well with promoting the artists. They kind of rely on their fans. So I feel like that's something that needs improvement in that industry. Yeah, so I think like through my dance team, we use a lot of like different artists, like music for our dances and stuff. And oh, there's this artist that's really good, but she has like no promotion and she's doing so well, but it's because of her fans. So I just think that like through dance, I get to explore the music industry a bit, and through there, I get to kind of see how their companies are doing and how they like kind of manage their artists. I think a lot of my classes I've learned like creative thinking. I just did a project for like Nutella, for example, and just creating like ads, creating video ads, print ads. So definitely in my classes I've already been creating like content, but also like Upkey is just a different approach. It's a different way to look at your resumes. I know there's like a section for like experiences and like volunteer work or like school projects. So definitely through there you can like list your school projects and descriptions of what you did. Also, like I said, with the skills section, you can just think about what skills you either like worked with or gained from that project and enter that into SAM and be able to like form your resume around that. I think thinking about stuff you've done in classes, I think a lot of people think experience is just like career experience or like volunteer work. You start listing things you did in classes, like projects like the Nutella one I just mentioned. You definitely can think of like, oh, I actually learned something through this class and this is what I learned and it helped me grow as a person. So I think just not focusing too much on your, oh, this is a job I had, maybe just focus on like creative work you've done in classes as well. Upkey helps out with that, I think, because you guys asked for like non-technical and technical skills. I think that's really important for advertising specifically because it views you more as a person than just like an applicant. It views you like, oh, you're good at communication, you're good at teamwork, versus you can edit photos in Photoshop. So I think that it helps get a clearer view of the person.